In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Notion database to Excel. If you've been organizing your information in Notion and now need to work with that data in Excel, you're in the right place. Exporting your Notion database to Excel is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it every step of the way. By the end of this video, you'll be able to seamlessly transition your data from Notion to Excel, ready for your analysis or whatever task you have at hand. Let's dive in. First, head over to your Notion workspace and locate the database you wish to export. Make sure you're signed into your account and that you have the necessary access permission to the workspace. Once found, click to open this database. This step is crucial because you'll need to be inside the database to access the export options. With the database open, take a look at the upper right corner of your screen. There you'll see a three-dot menu symbol, which acts as a gateway to a variety of options. Click on this three-dot icon to reveal a drop-down menu. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with this menu since it offers multiple functionalities that could enhance your Notion experience. From the drop-down menu, locate and select the Export option. This will prompt a new dialog box or window, known as the Export Format window, to appear. In this window, you'll see a range of format options that you can export your database to. For this task, we're going to focus on one particular format, CSV, which stands for comma-separated values. CSV is ideal for this purpose because it is easily imported into almost all spreadsheet programs, including Excel. So go ahead and choose CSV as your export format. Once CSV is selected, click the Export button to initiate the process. At this point, Notion will begin downloading your database. Depending on the size of your database and your internet speed, this could take a few moments. Be patient as the download completes. Now, depending on the size and type of your database, Notion may download your file as a zip file or directly as a CSV file. If a CSV file downloads directly, you're set to move on to the next step. However, if a zip file is the format you've got, don't worry. Here's what you'll need to do. First, locate the downloaded zip file on your computer, typically in your Downloads folder. Once found, extract the contents of this zip file. Often you can do this by right-clicking the file and selecting Extract All, or a similar option, depending on your operating system. Once you have the CSV file accessible, it's time to open it in Excel. Simply navigate to where your CSV file is saved, double-click on it, and it should automatically open in Microsoft Excel. You can now view, edit, and work with your Notion data in Excel. It's as simple as that. Just ensure your data is properly formatted and organized to maximize your productivity in Excel. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your Notion database to Excel. Remember, this process allows you to take advantage of Excel's robust analytical tools and can be repeated anytime you need to work on your Notion databases in Excel. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.